Hi, good morning. Dan Lopez, broker owner of Legends Realty here in Lake Mary, Florida, coming at you with our Monday morning QB for the week of September 17th through September 23rd. The Monday morning QB is a weekly real estate market report, ultimately giving you a summary of the recent sales and the recent activity that has taken place here in the Orlando and the surrounding areas. So when we talk about the Orlando and the surrounding areas, ultimately we're talking about Lake Orange, Osceola, and Seminole counties. Hopefully you all had a wonderful weekend. If you are a football fan like I am, then you know that there are now only two undefeated teams in the NFL. The Miami Dolphins lost yesterday, so now we're left with the 49ers, and we're left with my Philadelphia Eagles, currently sitting at 4-0. Congratulations to the Philadelphia Eagles and all the fans out there. All right, so let's go right into our Monday morning QB, again, for the week of September 17th through September 23rd. So the sale of single-family homes has decreased from 398 the week prior to 359 during this week. The median sales price, now remember, when we talk about the median sales price, this means the same number of homes have sold above this price that have sold below this price. So the median price of single-family homes has increased to $420,000. This is a change of 2.4%. To kind of give you an idea, when we talk about the difference between median sales price and average sales price, average is a mathematical equation. You add up all the sales prices that have taken place during the week, and then you divide that number by the number of sales that have occurred. And so that number for single family homes is sitting at 499,897. All right, then getting into the number of single-family home foreclosure transactions has decreased to a big whopping 0, and the number of single-family home short sale transactions went up to only 1 from 0 the week prior. And the inventory of single-family homes has increased just a little bit yet again by 18, and it now sits at 4,785 single-family home units. Moving into condos, townhomes, and villas, the sales have increased to 129 during the week from 117 the week prior. The median price of condos, townhomes, and villas has decreased to $275,000. This is a change of 2.1%. The number of condo, townhome, and villa foreclosure transactions, and short sale transactions remains constant at 0. And the condo inventory has increased by 54, and it now sits at 1,930. What does this mean? Well, interest rates continue to be high in comparison to what we've been seeing in recent years past. I mean, historically, when we talk about interest rates, looking back 50 or more years, these rates are still considered very manageable, very low. However, for I don't know, just under 20 years, we've been looking at interest rates easily below 7%. For a big chunk of that, below 6%. A big chunk of that below 5%. I got we were dealing with transactions in which we were getting people into homes with 2 point something percent interest rates, even lower sometimes. So we're not used to seeing interest rates this high. And so the market is going through a bit of an adjustment. In many ways, many feel that this adjustment is a good thing long term for our real estate economy, because what this is doing, it's slowing down the number of sales that have taken place. We're not looking at real estate transactions where 20, 30 people are all competing for the same property, submitting offers. We're not seeing situations where buyers are forced to withhold the contingencies on financing and inspections and anything else that they may need or prefer within the real estate transaction. No, we're seeing a more balanced type of scenario. Still very much a seller's market because inventory is just ridiculously low, and there are more buyers than there are available homes. However, because the interest rates have gone up some, it has decreased or lessened the affordability for many buyers out there. So there are less buyers who are now interested in any one particular home. And so the laws of supply and demand kick in. This creates more opportunity for buyers to be able to negotiate their contracts. Buyers can feel free to add in their inspection contingencies. They can feel free to include their financing contingency. We're starting to see where buyers are able to add in contingencies on the sale of a previous home. So buyer is able to get a little bit more creative. From a seller's standpoint, still good news that it's a seller's market, but you got to be a little bit more open now. You got to be more willing to negotiate, be willing to allow those contingencies to be included in the contract, be more open to presenting the property in its best light, be more open to doing some repairs to the property or some improvements to the property. This is important from a negotiation standpoint, and this is also important if you want to be able to get the highest and best price, or more importantly, the highest and best net on the sale. Well, you probably are going to want to be open to, put on that new roof if the property needs it. Upgrade the plumbing if the property needs it. If it's got one of those electrical panels that the insurance companies don't like, be open to switching that out, because the insurance companies have gotten very tough and difficult, and they're not insuring on these homes that will have some of these concerns and issues or higher liability. And what this does is significantly lowers the number of potential buyers for your property. The less buyers who are interested in your home, well, the harder it's going to be for you to be able to get the highest and best price on the sale. So sellers just need to be a little bit more open to negotiations and doing some repairs, improvements to the home. Buyers, don't be afraid. It's an excellent time to buy. We are expecting very healthy appreciation for the rest of this year. Probably not double-digit appreciation, what we've been seeing in recent years past, but still very good, very healthy appreciation. Like a buddy of mine always says, now is absolutely the best time to buy real estate. So if you have any questions for me, if you would like a valuation report done on your current home, or if you would like a more in-depth statistical analysis done on the real estate market, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to put one of these together for you. So meanwhile, I hope you all great health, wealth, and success in all that you do. Take care of yourselves. God bless.